So fast.
Big Bird.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
I'm broken. So,
Gumby.
who's that, Mom?
Maggie.
Maggie. Here we always like go get. Which that Kermit? Oh,
But where is Kermit? That's not Kermit. That's another frog.
rat. We went on starting. Then go with them.
There's Elmo. And Pokey. And Gumby.
And then one.
And Maggie. Seagate.
What's the monkey beeper? It's a beeper? What? What's the other one? Go and say bye-bye. What's also stay there. What's the Grandpa?
What?
Joey?
It's taking a movie of you.
Stop.
Are you going to sing?
It's looking say, can we stop? Bye. Oh, stop. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Big Bird.
Bye-bye.
Where are you going?
What? You want it?
Well, where are you going?
You want say? Yeah. You will see cars.
Cars? Is he going in the car?
Bye-bye.
Or going on the train?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Big Bird.
We go boat. So sad. So sad. Ba. Go there. Wait. Pause. Hello, Mom. How's it going?
How are you?
This is awesome, Mom. This is you.
Well, hi, Big Bird. Hi, Elliot.